Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AT&T account for secure billing access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your AT&T account for secure billing access, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the AT&T official website URL and press enter. On the home page, locate the sign in option, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on sign in to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your AT&T user ID and password. If you already have an AT&T account, enter your user ID in the first field. Next, input your associated password in the second field. Before continuing, check the option to Remember Me if you want the browser to save your credentials for future access. Once the fields are filled out, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your AT&T account dashboard. For new users, look for the Create Account option on the login page. Click on Create Account to start the registration process. Follow the prompts to enter your information, including your phone number and billing details. Complete the security questions to enhance your account security. After successfully creating your account, you can log in with your new credentials. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. You will be guided through steps to reset your password. Once authenticated, you can access your billing information securely. Always log out after your session to maintain your account's security. If you encounter any issues, consult the AT&T support page for further assistance. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.